In the heart of the gardens of Piazza Vittorio is a Porta Magica, built in the second half of the 17th century, an ancient vestige of a Rome of myths and mysteries. The enigmatic door, however, leads nowhere, and is what remains of the luxurious Villa Palombara, residence of Marquis Massimiliano Savelli Palombara. A brilliant man and refined man of letters, the aristocrat was passionate about alchemy and esotericism, an interest he shared with Christina of Sweden, whose devoted friend and court loyalist he was during the former sovereign's stay in Rome. Legend has it that on a stormy night in 1680, a traveler, probably the alchemist-physician Francesco Borri, who was staying at the villa, went to the garden in search of a herb that could produce gold. By the next morning, the man had mysteriously disappeared, leaving behind traces of the purest gold and obscure manuscripts with numerous alchemical symbols and formulas. Convinced that the mysterious writing contained the secret of the philosopher's stone, the Marquis had the magical recipe engraved on the alchemical gate, also known as the Gate of Heaven and the Hermetic Gate, planetary symbols, each associated with a metal, pyramids, circles, inscriptions in Latin and Hebrew, and a six-pointed star, the Seal of Solomon. At present, the fascinating monument is embedded in a wall behind the imposing Mario Trophi's Nymphaeum, perpetually guarded by two severe and grotesque statues of the Egyptian god Bes, found in the Quirinal excavations of the late 19th century, waiting for someone to decipher what, until now, has proved to be an impenetrable enigma.